Hi there, this video will be a little shorter than usual. I will replace two electrolytic smoothing capacitors, an HT feed resistor and a 0.01 microfarad or 10 nanofarad if you prefer at 1 kV top cut or tone correction capacitor. Likely as not, replacing that little lot will take me about 20 minutes. You will remember in part 3 I said I will replace 3 components. The two electrolytic smoothing capacitors and the HT feed resistor, one that I have salvaged. You see them here ready to be fitted. Before fitting the two electrolytic smoothing capacitors, I need to remove the old smoothing capacitor aluminium canister and fit a solder tag strip onto which I'll solder the two replacement electrolytic capacitors. I've marked on the circuit diagram the position of the two replacement smoothing capacitors. Once I've unsoldered the wires off each electrolytic smoothing capacitor here in this aluminium canister, I will unbolt it off this chassis. There it is, the original aluminium smoothing capacitor canister, unsoldered and unbolted from the chassis. See here on the side of the canister, February 1955. I was barely 2 months old at that time. There it is, R15, what was once a 6.8k 2-watt carbon resistor, now replaced with a 7.5 watt wire wound type I salvaged from a television set some years ago. As a reminder, here is its location on the circuit diagram. There are the two replacement electrolytic smoothing capacitors. C16 32 microfarad is now a 33 microfarad, and C17 16 microfarad is now a 22 microfarad. I have also replaced what was a rather dodgy looking C19, a 0.01 top cut capacitor rated at 1 kV. Here are their locations on this circuit diagram, C16, 17 and 19. Hopefully that concludes work on the power supply circuitry. In my next video production I will progress onto the audio output pentode circuitry, V4, N78. Now there is a very dodgy looking Unz capacitor amongst that lot. It will definitely be given the boot. Out it will go, along with the waxes. So until next time, this is me, Phil, saying 73s to each and every one of you.